Ever miss the good old days of DVD collections? Let's rewind and see why DVDs are still awesome. So why should you buy DVDs today? First, no buffering. Remember those frustrating loading circles? With a DVD, it's just pop, play, and enjoy. Second, special features. Deleted scenes, director's commentary, and behind-the-scenes extras. Streaming can't always give you those hidden gems. Third, it's a collector's dream. There's something magical about a shelf full of your favorite films. It's like your personal blockbuster. Fourth, they're great for gifts. Birthdays, holidays, or just because a DVD is a thoughtful present that shows you care. And lastly, no internet needed. Perfect for road trips, camping, or just a cozy night in without Wi-Fi worries. So bring back the magic of DVDs. Because sometimes the old ways are the best ways. Happy watching.